Hello, this is TechLanders and we are back with another amazing video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button, and after this video, if you like this video, hit the like button to encourage us. In today's video, we'll be learning that how to install Android Studio on Windows. So this is basically a very easy process, but many people don't know which options to select while installing Android Studio. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit the website of Android Studio. You can simply search Android Studio on the Google and you will get this link. Click on the first link. Depending upon the specs of your computer, if you have a 64-bit processor, then you can select the first option here, or else you can go down to the bottom and select this option. This is the file for the 32-bit users. So I have already downloaded the file and it's here. So first of all, to install, I'll open up this file. This is a exe file, so it will automatically execute. Okay. So the setup has started. Allow the app to make changes to your device. You can ignore this by clicking yes. Click on next. If you want to install the virtual device as well along with the Android Studio, you can let the tick be on it. So we'll click next. Here you have to select the disk on which the Android Studio will be installed. For me, C drive is okay, so I'll be installing it on this. This option will let you select whether you want to make a shortcut on the desktop. So click on next. So here the installation of Android Studio has started and this might take a bit time. I'll fast forward this video so that you may not have to wait for so long. So now all the installation has been completed. So let's click on next. So now it's asking you whether you want to start Android Studio and clicking finish. So yes, we can start. So click on finish. Here on this screen, it will ask you whether you want the configurations you had previously made on the Android Studio if you have installed it earlier on your device. So do you want to keep those settings or not? So if you have installed Android Studio earlier and you want to keep those settings, so you have to click here and select the folder in which you had installed Android Studio. I haven't done this and I'm installing it for the first time, so I'll click on do not import settings and click on OK. So this is the welcome page for Android Studio. Click on next. Here it will ask you whether you want to make a standard or custom installation of Android Studio. In custom installation, you will have the control whether you want the specific SDKs or specific libraries to be installed or not. But for people who are beginners and don't know about all these terms, you can click on start and proceed. So let's click on next. This is the UI which you want while programming. So there are light and dark themes. I prefer the dark one, so I'll be using it. So select the theme and click on next. Here it will be showing you that what all libraries it will be going to install. So these are the libraries. This is the SDK platform 29, which is for Android Pie. These will be installed when you click finish. So let's click on finish. So yes, now all those 4 libraries or files will be installed, and these files are quite big, so it will take time for them to install. So make sure that you have ample amount of internet left, and if you have high-speed internet, then it's well and good. I'll pause the video so that you may not have to wait for long. So after the process is complete and all the files are downloaded and unzipped, click on finish, and then you will get this screen. This is the first screen which you will get always on opening Android Studio. So here's where we have completed the motive of this video, and we have successfully installed Android Studio on Windows. Now you can do whatever you want. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.